Select the text you wish to center in Notion and go to More Options using the dotted menu. Select Turn Into to open additional options. Select the block equation option to change your text into a math block. This option presents your text as a math equation, which effectively centers it. Click on your block equation to edit. Block equations in Notion utilize KTeX for formatting. Some useful functions include large for large font and tilde for spaces. Use these to edit your text as required. Click on Done to finish editing. You now have a properly formatted and center-aligned text in Notion. Place your cursor before your text. Add spaces as required to push your text into the middle. Navigate to where you wish to center the text or a new line. Use the / command to quickly search for column blocks, /column, and select an odd-numbered layout such as 3 columns. Use the middle column to enter your text. Drag and adjust borders to align center. You now have your text centered using the middle column.